Challenger 3 represents a step change in capability over its predecessor. Boosting a fully digitalised turret and a 120 smoothbore gun, it will be enabled to fire the most lethal of ammunition available.
Challenger 3 contributes towards UK prosperity by having a sovereign capability at our facility up in Telford, Shropshire, which delivers 148 of these Challenger 3s. Over the last 5 years, we've invested over 50 million into the facility, and we've recruited over 300 highly skilled jobs, not only at our facility, but hundreds more in the wider supply chain across Scotland, England and Wales.